Okay, so you want to know how to use AGM65s, or they're also known as Mavericks. They are fairly simple to use. It is pretty much a lock and launch type system. So the only control that you necessarily need is fire air to ground missile, which I've set to mouse button 4. To do so, you press mouse button 4 once to get your little targeting square, and then you're going to put that targeting square over your desired target, wait until it finds a lock, and then hit again to launch the missile. These AGMs are fairly consistent. Unfortunately, I don't have any of the better ones. And if you guys want to know how to disable your lock, if you lock something, like you randomly lock the ground or whatever, so you did that. To do so, you want to go to, in weaponry, it's going to be, I have mine set to 5, which is weapon lock air to ground. So if, say, I locked this right here and it locked the ground, if I hit my lock button again, it'll just fire the missile. But if I come over here, I go over here and regain control, and I lock the ground here and I hit 5, it'll disable that lock and give my targeting square again. So we'll just show again. We'll fly around. A really bad crew on this right now. So we got a target lock. And bop. Let's see if we can get one of these. Nope. Anyways, I hope this helped, and if you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments, and I'd also love to hear from you guys on what you guys want to know how to do next, and I will be sure to try and make a video on it. So in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and bye for now.